morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Friday, September 17th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
Today's featured staff member is Miss Cindy.
Good morning.
Welcome. May we ask you a few questions?
Sure.
What do you do for your job in the office?
I actually do a little bit of everything. I deliver a lot of your guys' lunches, iPads, whatever's dropped off. I take care of the copiers and laminators and answer the phone. I just do a little bit of everything.
That's a lot.
That is a lot, yeah.
What do you do for your phone?
What do I do for my phone?
No.
Well, I have to answer every call that comes into the school. And now I have a headset I can put on and I can be anywhere in the building and then I can answer a call too.
Yay!
It's pretty amazing to have that.
If you could have any superpower in the world, what would it be?
Someone suggested teleport. Well, I'm thinking inside the school, if I had like a superpower just to zip me over to the far end and then zip back to the office, that'd be pretty amazing.
Thank you for coming.
You're so welcome.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Here's our kindness ambassador, Lily, to announce today's Friendly Falcons.
Today's Friendly Falcon is Juliana Rodriguez in Ms. Vitasha's room. It was nominated by Ms. Thompson for allowing a classmate to check out a book he had originally wanted. Congratulations, Julian, and thanks for keeping Indian Creek kind.
This month is National Hispanic Heritage Month. Today we will be honoring Celia Cruz, who is a Cuban-American singer and one of the most popular Latin musical artists of the 20th century. She became known worldwide as the Queen of Salsa and won 2 Grammys and 4 Latin Grammy Awards, including the Lifetime Achievement Award in 2016.
Wow. Yeah, that's cool. Today in history, in 1630, the city of Boston, Massachusetts, is founded.
Wow.
Yeah.
In the headlines, Chobani ditches yogurt cups for new paper cup. Chobani is an American food company, but they specialize in making yogurt. Yogurt is most often sold in plastic containers, except plastic, unlike paper, can take hundreds or even thousands of years to break down. This led to making Chobani's first ever paper cups to replace plastic cups. Previously used to hold its yogurt and yogurt products.
Wow.
Ooh.
Today's fun fact is, a blue whale can weigh as much as 33 elephants, and a baby whale can weigh between 5,000 and 6,000 pounds. That's about 1 adult elephant.
Whoa.
Yeah,
That is
it's
huge.
really cool.
Today's word of the day is whimsical, which means given to acting upon one's whims or fancies, or amusing in uniquely imaginative way. Used in a sentence, Dr. Seuss's stories are often whimsical.
Now for the joke of the day. Hey Kayla, what do you call a sheep with no legs?
I don't know.
A clown.
That's all for today.
Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Kayla.
And I'm Carter.
That's
Larry,
Larry,
and this
that's
is Fiona. Until
Yeah,
next time. Fly high, Falcons. Bump it up, bump, 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 bump. See you next time.